a high-level annual lecture series in LGBTQ2S+ studies brings something really important to Calgary. Every community benefits from knowing itself better. Knowledge is there a source of pride, a source of power, a source of belonging, really, to know what the history of your community is.
Queer studies is very important, and we really need to reflect on the struggles of the past to sort of guide us to a better future.
I see this as a kind of public celebratory, a collective commitment to saying we want to hear from the kind of cutting edge of research going on in these areas, but we want to hear it because we care and we think that it matters to know how we've got into the world where we are today and to chart different directions for the future that we urgently need.
There are people out there who wish we would just simply shut up and disappear, and that there should be a lecture series like this in which we bring to young people the pride of our history. We have to keep speaking our truth and fighting against reaction. And if we don't, the horrible things that I recall as a young person in the 1950s and the 1960s can certainly have been repeated if we retreat.
I walk around with all these incredible stories and all these incredible insights that I've learned from my research, and I don't want to keep them to myself. And I think it's really important to share them with the world. So it really means something to give it the kind of gravitas and a sort of sustainable home that a lecture series brings.
It demonstrates something when you put your money behind it. It's not just the money itself, it's the vote of confidence, it's the support of the values, it's the support of the event.
It's a really amazing thing. I go annually, I donate to the series, and I'm very proud that they're doing this work.